From ancient cave paintings to the masterpieces of the Renaissance, art has been a fundamental part of human history. It evolves as society evolves, mirroring its values, culture, and technological advancements. As we entered the digital age, AI joined the artistic realm, becoming both a tool and an artist. But how did AI go from basic computer designs to digital masterpieces sold for millions? Join us on a journey through time to uncover the evolution of AI in art. Long before AI was painting portraits, its introduction to the world of art began with humble beginnings. In the 1950s, computers were massive room-sized entities, and the very idea of them generating art was as fictional as a flying car. However, early visionaries saw potential. Artists and engineers collaborated on primitive digital art pieces, and by the late 60s, we had the first algorithm-based artworks. Initial AI art wasn't groundbreaking. Simple patterns, geometric shapes, and repetitive designs, but even these elementary expressions marked the beginning of a new era. As computers shrunk and processing power grew, the late 20th century witnessed the evolving steps of AI towards creating genuine art. In 1973, Harold Cohen developed Aaron, a computer program that could autonomously create simple artworks. By the 80s, the program matured, blossoming into a digital artist capable of vibrant, detailed artworks. With computers gracing homes and offices, the 80s and 90s were decades of digital discovery. AI began to learn from data, much like a child learns by observing. The introduction of neural networks enabled machines to process and mimic complex patterns. Pioneers like Roman Farosco were pushing boundaries, using algorithms to create distinct visual patterns that captured the imagination. As artists began experimenting with computers at home, software such as Paint and Photoshop became popular. Meanwhile, AI delved deeper into enhancing images and even generating basic animations. In 1999, Scott Drave's Electric Sheep made waves. It linked thousands of computers to produce evolving abstract animations, hinting at the potential of cooperative AI in art and giving us a glimpse into the magic that was soon to come. As we moved into the new millennium, a renaissance was afoot. The 21st century saw a breakthrough in AI capabilities with deep learning. Neural networks could now generate more sophisticated and intricate artworks. They began understanding styles, replicating famous pieces, and even creating entirely new compositions. By the early 2010s, AI started making its mark on the art scene. Google's Deep Dream, launched in 2015, was one of the first to capture public attention. It transformed ordinary images into dreamlike, often surrealistic art using neural networks. Yet, these were still very much human-guided creations, with AI serving as a tool rather than an artist. This all changed with the arrival of generative adversarial networks, or GANs. This unleashed a revolution, allowing AI to generate high-resolution, photorealistic images. When the GAN created painting Edmund de Bellamy sold for a staggering $432,500 at a Christie's auction in 2018, it wasn't just a sale, it was a statement. This wasn't just about AI assisting artists anymore. AI itself was becoming the artist, challenging the very definition of creativity and originality. Fast forward to the present day, and the world has been introduced to NFTs, or non-fungible tokens. In this digital age where duplication is effortless, NFTs brought back the allure of the original. These digital assets represent ownership or proof of authenticity and originality using blockchain, meaning you can own a unique digital art piece that is unreplicable and unmistakably yours. Artists, including those using AI, began minting their work as NFTs. Some of these digital art pieces cost astronomical sums, with certain NFTs selling for millions. So you see, today, AI is not just a tool, but a collaborator. Artists harness AI to augment their creativity, create virtual reality worlds, or even music. Platforms like DALL-E by OpenAI can create visuals from textual descriptions, blurring the lines between human and machine creativity. As AI continues to learn, adapt, and create, we are compelled to ask, how do we define art in the age of machines? Will artists find innovative ways to collaborate with AI, or will machine-generated art stand alone, challenging the sanctity of human-made art? As we stand at this crossroads, the intersection of AI and art promises a future filled with innovation, debate, and endless creativity. The canvas is vast, and AI's brush is just beginning to paint its mark on the art world. Let's wait and see where this journey takes us.